Please, can you help me? I've lost my parrot. Where is it? I've lost it.
It's okay, we'll help you.
We'll help you.
You sure you'll help me? Because I've lost it.
Because this is a job for the Detective Squad.
Waste of time.
Where is
we
it?
have been looking for ages for that stupid bird and we could not find it anywhere. Where could it be?
There's something you might want to know.
Oh, what is...
There's an angry horde of nursery kids running after us.
We looked in every single classroom in the school and we cannot find that stupid bird.
I know, we've looked everywhere.
I've got an idea.
Oh no.
Why don't we just look outside? I mean, that's where a parrot would go.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I suppose.
Fine.
Let's see. But... Guys, I've checked the pond. It's not there. We're going to have to go and tell Mr. Peg we can't find his parrot. But that'll really upset him. Oh, we can't find Mr. Peg's parrot anywhere.
He's going to be so disappointed.
Wait, what was that noise? It's coming from Miss Crawford's office. Miss Crawford!
The parrot is mine.
Oh no! Oh yes! The parrot! We've got it! Let's go! Run! Let's tell Mr. Peg!
Drat! Foiled again.
Yummy! Oh, I've got my parrot back. They don't know. Oh, yummy! Oh, it's a wonderful. Oh, yummy!
Oh, can we have some? We have some.
Yes, certainly. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy. Oh, it's wonderful, my parrot. Oh.